gentlemen, today I will show you guys about how to make ice cream without bridge, everyone. So here is some ingredient that I'm going to tell you clear when I start to make it. So now start to make it with me. We have ice, everyone. This is the especially ingredient. We have ice, peanut, banana, Saro water, milk, and also we have salt. So now start to make it with me. So we add salt on ice cream. Add a lot like this, everyone. First we add milk, everyone. Then add our banana. I add 3 banana, everyone, for this ice cream. And then add Saro water, everyone. Add Saro to be medium. So we mix it. We mix it like this, everyone, until our milk become ice cream. And for peanut, everyone, we add it for the last. And add it for our milk become ice cream. We still continue to make it like this, everyone. Make it. Oh, everyone, we nearly to see the result, everyone. Like this. Oh, it nearly to become an ice cream. Everyone, without bridge, we can do ice cream. So you can watch my video from the start and watch until the end. Wow, it nearly to be ice cream right now, everyone. This is everyone. So now our milk become ice cream, everyone. I can make ice cream without bridge. Wow. So now we can eat. I'm going to show you guys about my eating with this ice cream. It's really cold. And then we add peanut on our ice cream. Basta. the best taste, everyone. Everyone can do it by follow my video from the start until the end. So mean that we can make ice cream without fridge, everyone. So now I think it is time to say goodbye, but everybody, don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about amazing food like this, and also to see the countryside lifestyle. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye and thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.